Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to add Facebook pixel to Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log into your Shopify account and you have to log into your Facebook page. So you have to open two tabs at one time. So on the Facebook tab, click on the Pages button, which is located in the left side of the page. After clicking the Pages button, you have to click on the Create New Page button. After clicking on the Create New Page button, you have to give the page a name, a category, a bio, and all the basic information. Now, after putting it up, you have to click on the Create Page button located below. Now, open a new tab and open Facebook Meta. If you already have an account, then log in into Meta, or if you don't have it, you have to create an account here. For creating an account, you have to put up your business and account name, your business email, and click on submit. Then on the left side of the menu bar, you will see add accounts option. Under the accounts tab, there is an add accounts button. Click on that. Now it will show you a add button. After on this page, you will click on the add button. This drop down will open and it will have three options: add an ad account, request access to an ad account, and create a new ad account. So you will click on the third option, that is create a new ad account. After this, a dialog box will appear and it will ask you for details such as ad account name, time zone, currency. Put up these and click on the next button. Another dialog box will ask you the usage for this ad account, that you will be using for your personal business or you will be using it for another business or client. So you will be, I guess, checking the My Business option here and click on Create. After this, it would be asking you to select a person, select people, and set permissions for them. That would be managing and accessing your account. So you would here allow your own account maybe. Then after clicking on the account, you have to turn on the Manage Ad Account button. And after clicking on the Manage Ad Account button, you have to click the Assign button. After that, you would go to your Meta page, and on the left side of the options, you would click on Data Sources. Under Data Sources tab, you would click on Pixels. After clicking the Pixels button, a dialog box will appear and it will ask you to name the pixel and to enter your website URL, and this is optional. So you can continue. Now another dialog box will appear. It will ask if continue managing your business or you have to set up the pixel now. So please click on the set up the pixel now button. And now you would click on the add code using a partner integration button. After that, click on Shopify button. Now you'd be directed towards the Shopify store. In your Shopify store, and on the home page, on the left side of the options, you would go to online store and then click on preferences. After clicking on preferences, please click on the set up Facebook button. Now click on the add sales channel. Now click on the connect account button. Now select the account that you want to connect to your Shopify store. Now click on the maximum option, maximum preference option, and click on the share data button. Now get back and click on the connect button. Now your shop is in review. So get back to your meta page, and now it will ask you to connect your Shopify account to Meta. So for that, you'd have to check mark the box I've completed the setup on Shopify. Click on next button. Now put up the URL of your store, of your Shopify store here, and click on send best traffic. Now click on next button. Now the setup is complete. So click the finish button. And that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.